Hey guys, Brian with Ball Guy Sci, and I am starting off a whole bunch of shorts on Chat GPT. If you look up there, you're going to see a link to every one of them. It's going to be in a playlist. And I know that you are sickened by this. I'm going to bring it up right now just to show you what I'm talking about. If you are in the dark here on Chat GPT, which there's no way you are, it's using the AI tool to generate things that can help you in class. Okay, now I'm going to hit that up and you're going to see it will generate all sorts of stuff. It is as good as you want to, as good as you are to put the input in, it will give you the output. Now, if you're looking for all across the board, this shorts, um, what do you call it? Playlist is all going to be about each one of those content areas. So this is giving me my objectives and outcomes, and it's going to go ahead and generate that whole lesson plan for me, which, as you see that little button right there, above next to objectives. I can copy this when it's all done. It's giving me my materials like a worksheet. We can actually find those on the web, whatever you probably already have them. But again, you can see super powerful. I don't need to show you the whole thing. But let's not be thinking about how we can block this. Let's think about how we can lead, how we can use it to engage, and how we can use it to benefit ourselves so that we are not doing the bulk of the work that we might be able to use this for. But as a professional now, I'm going to tweak it. I'm going to take it and I'm going to make this an awesome lesson for kids. And here it is. It's breaking it all down for me. So I start with that. I can copy and paste it and then make my changes, deploy this with kids, and it might be pretty awesome. So if you're looking for concrete examples of how to use it on the fly with students, check out everything in this playlist and it's going to hit up every content area, even the admins and maybe the parents at the end and the students if you're looking for a couple of those quick things. So I hope that helps and I'll catch you in the next one.